Hi, babies. It's the only 3 I got left. They just went out. Over here are the babies that I have left. Thank God they were in their little coop, their little brooder. Hi there. Hi there. Yeah, look at you guys. Are you hungry? I gotta take this and wash it. Y'all made a mess. Look at you all. So yeah, of course you can hear Apollo. He's not really happy with me right now, but gotta take care of my babies. So I got them all cleaned out and fed. I just got to get their water done. But these are the few babies that fortunately didn't get hurt during the night of terror that my dog Apollo brought. So guys, on Friday after the dog terror in the chicken coop, what eggs were left in the nesting boxes, I did get them gathered up and put them in the incubator. So hopefully I'll have some babies hatched out in about 19 days. So as you can see, we did get the mess picked up out of the yard and straightened back up after the floodwaters came through. And we got pine mulch thrown down in the chicken coop. Well, I don't know if it's pine mulch. It was just a bunch of wood chips that the local tree cleaners, where they go around and clear up the tree branches and stuff, mulched it all up. So they did give it to us. There's my one little hen and my 2 roosters. It breaks my heart that not all of my babies are here.